Hi everyone, I'm Simone. I'm the Children's and Youth Librarian here at Norwood, Payneham St Peter's Library Service. Thank you for watching the video that we're putting up today. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a mini pom-pom garland. They're lots of fun and easy to make. You can make them as long or as short as you like. You can decorate your bedroom with them, your lounge room, whatever you like. Hopefully you've got a ball of wool lying around the house somewhere. If you don't have wool, you might have some string. Okay, let's get started. So for today's project we'll need some scissors, a fork, some wool, any sort of wool that you've got lying around. This one I used before was a nice fluffy wool which gave it a nice fluffy pom-pom. This one does a good job as well, any type of wool. And to string your garland together, some string. Or if you don't have any different type of string, you can still use the same wool that you use for your mini pom-poms. And the last thing you'll need is a sewing needle. If you've got a big tapestry needle like one of these, that's perfect. But otherwise, just work with what you've got at home. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope that you have fun trying to make your own mini pom-pom garlands at home and decorate your house. So thanks for watching and join us for the next video.